Oh shit. For the horde! Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make for you something that I've never made before, but I think it's super easy because I got this super cool Christmas present. World of Warcraft, the official cookbook. I'm an avid World of Warcraft player. There's professions in there that you can learn different recipes. Apparently Chelsea Monroe Castle made a cookbook of kind of converting the video game recipes into real recipes. I'm going to make a Savory Deviate Delight and a Garr's Limeade drink. I might put a little twist of my own on there. Again, something I've never made, but I love cooking. I think it's gonna be easy, so let's get started. Every good fish taco recipe starts with a shot of fucking tequila. First thing I gotta do is heat up some water. So I'm gonna put some in my teapot, heat it up. I've got to mix it in a bowl. We're gonna add some fresh basil to it, blend it up, and then strain it and let it chill for 30 minutes. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some water on the stovetop. Hot water, hooray! Uno, dos, tres. Whisk this up, then a couple sprigs of basil. Add the basil in there, let it get to know the sugar water. So I've got my water, sugar, and basil. Going to zest 4 limes and 1 lemon, and also use the juice of all of them and put that into the mixture, and then we'll blend it. Oh wow, it smells really good. It smells really incredible. I'm gonna squeeze some lime juice in there and lemon juice. Fucking 4 limes, 1 lemon. I'm gonna get the goddamn handy dandy ninja. Ninjas are the best. So I'm gonna go ahead and pour this into the blender and blend it up, and then we'll strain it out into our pitcher. So the last step for our Garr's lemonade is to add the rest of the water, which says 1 to 2 cups of cold water. So I'm gonna add 1 cup, I think, because I don't want it to be fully diluted. I love lime and lemon. It smells incredible. So I'm gonna put this in the fridge for 30 minutes and then we'll give it a test. All right, our Garr's limeade has been chilling for 30 minutes. I'm gonna pull it out, pour it over some ice, add some garnish, and let's give it a taste. So I'm gonna add a little lime, a little lemon, pour it over the top. Beauty. Toss a little sprig of basil in there. And let's see how it tastes. Really good. Powerful on the lime and the lemon, a lot of acidity. Super delicious. I would prefer it probably to be a little bit sweeter, but really good. Straight out of the recipe. Now, we're gonna make it Javi way. Just add a little tequila, why don't we? All right. Javi's way starts with a shot of tequila for the cook. Cheers. Put our Garr's limeade in there. Add a little wedge of lime, a little tequila. About 1 ounce, maybe 1.5. A little more sugar in there. Another teaspoon probably. Stir that bad boy up. That is a drink you would want while touring Torgast. You're welcome. So now that my limeade's done, I've had a shot and an adult beverage. We're gonna get started in on the fish tacos, or sorry, the Savory Deviate Delights. Check. Really good. Okay. One of the important things about making fish deep fried is drying it out. So I'm gonna pat it out with some paper towels and kind of take as much moisture out of the fish as I can, so that when we batter it and fry it, we're not popping off like crazy. Now I'm gonna make the batter for the fish. I'm going to roast a red pepper. I'm gonna roast some corn as well. I'm gonna roast it in an air fryer, but if you don't have an air fryer, the next easiest thing is to put it in the oven. A cookie sheet, some foil, a little bit of olive oil, and then broil it just for maybe 3 minutes, 5. Anytime you put something on broil, you gotta keep a close eye on it. But I'm gonna put it in my air fryer probably 5 or so minutes. So I'm gonna put a little olive oil on this. Just a nice little drizzle. Throw some corn on there. We're gonna roast these in the air fryer. Here we go. While I'm waiting for the shit to roast, I'm gonna go ahead and try this Garr's lemonade just to make sure it's good. Good. All right, so I'm gonna make the batter. Batter consists of a cup and a half of flour, a little bit of cornstarch, and some buttermilk. So I'm gonna make the batter here in this bowl. Half cup. And then a 1/4 cup of cornstarch. A pinch of cayenne, blip blip, pinch of salt, blip blip, and then some buttermilk. Okay, fuck off with you. All right. We good? Before we get any further, I gotta make sure that this Garr's Limeade stayed well. I mean, it's been sitting for a minute, and I just wanna taste it and make sure that it's nice and limey, you know. My fish is ready. My batter's ready. My oil is ready. Before I put the fish and batter it and fry it, I want to get my garnishes ready. Get my tortillas heated up, slice some cabbage, and slice up some lemon wedges. Go. I'm going to batter these and put them in the oil. This is the part I'm most afraid of because I've never done this. Dip it down, looks like to be adhering nicely. Yeesh. We'll see how it goes. Fucking bitches getting money. Red pepper's done, so I'm just gonna slice them nice and neat. Shadisa, slicer. God, it's gonna be awesome. Shot glass help. Wow. Look at these. Beauties. They're fucking beauties. So I'm going to just chop up this nice, beautiful battered cod, put it into our taco. I'm first gonna take my tortilla, put a little of my homemade tartar sauce down, then I'm gonna put some cod on there, add a little bit of red pepper, add a little bit of corn, a little bit of lemon, and then top it off with just a hair of cabbage. And that's it. Here is the finished product. Let's give it a taste. This shit is delicious. You're welcome. What do you call this? The fuck do you call this? I'm getting a little fucking saucy. Fuck. Scratch. Start over.